Hi, welcome to my channel Diced and Spiced. Today we are having a follow-up on our cupcake video. We are going to see how to make a simple caramel buttercream frosting. As the name suggests, it has 3 ingredients: sugar, butter and cream. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. First, let's see how to prepare the caramel. In a deep pan, add half a cup of water, 250 grams of sugar. Do not stir it. Keep it on a medium flame and let the sugar melt. I'm preparing caramel with water and sugar. We can prepare caramel with just sugar as well, but it melts down quickly and burns before you can get a hold of it. With water and the sugar, it needs to boil and it caramelizes in a gradual fashion. The sugar dissolves, and as the water evaporates, the thickening happens. It gradually starts to change color, from light yellow to straw yellow and finally a light honey colored liquid. Do not let the caramel color deepen too much because it just burns in a few seconds. Our next ingredient to be added is heavy cream, so keep it measured and handy. Now we have achieved the perfect light honey color. Quickly stir in half a cup of heavy cream. The cold heavy cream and the hot caramel make a nice smooth caramel sauce. We will be needing around 2 to 3 tablespoons from this. The rest can be frozen and used later on as topping in ice creams or blended with hot or cold milk as a milkshake. Bring the caramel sauce to room temperature and refrigerate it for around 30 minutes while you prepare the buttercream. Now let's see how to prepare the buttercream. I'm preparing it in a stand mixture here. You can alternatively use a hand blender. Take 80 grams of soft butter, blend it around a little bit. Add in 120 grams of powdered sugar. I'm using a store-bought powdered sugar as it gives us a smooth cream. Homemade ones can make the buttercream feel grainy. Let's blend it around. Add a half a teaspoon of salt and blend again. The little addition of salt helps to cut through the sweetness. Blend it until you achieve a creamy consistency. I have here our caramel sauce. It has thickened now. Add around 2 tablespoons of the caramel sauce. Use more if you wish to. Blend all the ingredients until you get a nice smooth consistency. Our yummy caramel buttercream is now ready. Scoop the buttercream into a piping bag and pipe them onto your cupcakes. Remember, the cupcakes should not be hot, else the buttercream will melt immediately. This is one simple flavoring with basic ingredients which we have at home. We will be bringing more cupcakes and frosting ideas in the videos to come. Do try and make these spongy vanilla cupcakes and this tasty caramel buttercream for your family this weekend. Enjoy! If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and for more such content, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you!